Welcome to Curious to See. Hope you all are fine and safe in home, and as well as will be safe for the prolonged time. Last couple of months was really tough for each and everyone. We couldn't even go out and we have to stay back in home. From 8th of June, our country has opened everything and you can go out to malls and restaurants and enjoy your days like previously, what you have enjoyed earlier. But you need to take into mind that COVID is not yet over. To take care of yourself is your responsibility. Today's product that I'm going to be showing you is for the diabetic people. And to control it, we need walking, running, and not eat tasteful oil food, but tasteless boiled food. Avoiding crowded hospitals and test in home is a better option in this pandemic situation that we are going through. As I came to know that the diabetic people are more prone to this virus and their diabetic level should be in control, as well as you need to regulate how the diabetic level of your body is. To know about the diabetic level of your body, I am bringing you a nice product. This is a Glucometer. The company is OneTouch Select. This product will help you to know about your diabetic level. I'll show you the unboxing of this product. Let's check it out. Here we come. This is the 10 strip that is included with the box, and this is the barcode. So let's see what is inside the box. Let's open it. Before that, this is the box details, the manufacturer, the items that are included in the box. Then here's the user guide which is included in the box. Inside it, there's a warranty card. These are the details that you may fill it. Here's the box. When you're going to be opening it, we have 2 items in there, and there's a slot for the third. This is a catalog. Now let's check out the instrument. So this is a pen. We're going to be taking it out. Here's a sticker is stick to it so that it should not rotate by its own. This sticker you need to remove first. Now this is the main instrument which is going to be measuring your blood glucose. So there's a battery over there. So this is the strip box. Now we're going to be opening it. You can see the 10 strips over there. Now we're going to be taking out the lancets, the needle which is there just beneath that box. There are 10 lancets, so when you're fixing it in the pen, just you're going to be pushing it a little bit and it will get fixed, and you're going to be then shutting down that head of the pen like this. See, we're going to be just twisting it, the head, and the needle is out. Can you see the needle? Yes, there it is. For the normal persons, you can make it 4. The depth of the penetration will be 4. It's okay. Now as you when you're putting the strip inside, the instrument will be asking for the blood droplet. There it is. So you're going to be putting the blood over there. I'll show you just a second. Here it is. So as you're going to be putting the strip in there, now it will be asking for blood. It's showing the previous result. So here it is asking for the blood. Now you're going to be taking out the blood out of your hand. Just press a little, it will soon come. Then you're going to be giving that strip mouth just very near to that blood, and it will just detect it. Here it is 136. It's very easy, you can do it. Hope you are all benefited by the video I made. Thank you for watching.